As plant manager at the label printers, we like the Domino K600i because it offers us increased uptime. With the automated features such as the cleaning and purging system, we are able to produce our work more efficiently. We started in 1967 in Chicago, Illinois, and then in the early 70s we moved to a location in Aurora. We since have moved to this location, so we have 2 plants here in Aurora, Illinois. Our customer base is pretty diverse, ranging anywhere from security labels to pharmaceutical to nutraceutical, electronics industry, brand protection. We had an EBI unit in here. That did not allow us to print on films very well, so we had to get into UV inkjet technology. Once we did that, we went with the Domino competitor. That unit was a 5-head system. We would have to constantly move the heads manually, so over the years we've probably wasted thousands of feet of material trying to do that. Our previous system had a 80 picoliter drop size. The Domino has an adjustable drop size between 6 and 14 picoliters. So that's could be saving us over 10 times the amount of ink. That savings is quite significant, especially considering the UV inkjet costs. Well, number one, they have an automated cleaning and purging system. The print bar will go into a cleaning and purging station offline and do that automatically instead of having to do that during production time. We can print 2D barcodes, regular barcodes, a lot of things for track and trace. We can print things for brand protection, such as serialization. More and more customers want to get as much information on as little real estate as possible on their products. So we're able to accomplish that with the Domino K600i. Oh, I can't say enough about Domino. It was a very easy decision to go with their product. They have the best product on the market, so it was a really easy sell. Such an easy sell that we actually have purchased a new Domino K600i. We need to have redundancy here, and we need to continue to be able to provide our customers with that type of printing quality. With all the features we've talked about today, which results in increased uptime, it's significantly better than what was out there before.